Welcome to A Kid's Life with Khouri.
Khouri, what are you doing? Are you eating cereal? Is it good?
Yeah.
Say, mmm. Say, mmm, good. Oh, you had some on your face. Wow, you need a napkin. Want me to get you a napkin? Okay, what do you say? Please. Wipe your face. Oh, good job, big girl. You gonna put the cereal on the napkin? Okay. So when you spill, you can fall in the napkin, right? Right? What kind of table are you sitting on? Is that Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
That's Minnie Mouse? Okay. All right. Is it good? Yay.
Hi.
Hi. Say hello.
Hello. Yay.
Yay.
Hi.
Hi. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello, everybody. Use your spoon. You just want the milk? Mmm. Nuh-uh, don't do that. You gotta eat it. Mmm. Good.